For what happened in last 24 hours. By now you know that yesterday 13 more persons were found positive with the coronavirus, and all 13 were from the BSF headquarters itself. Among them, there was one person called Jay Kumar Mog, who is a civilian working in their mess, and he is a resident of Magdin Pada, adjacent to BSF headquarters. But as per the information, for last more than 1 year since the lockdown, he was within the battalion headquarters only. So he had not come out to his house. However, we have visited his family house, and samples of his father, brother and his sister-in-law, that is Bhabi, had also been taken. Yesterday, total 387 tests were done. Out of that, 185 was from Dhalai. This included the BSF people from BSF headquarters, Gandachara, Nalkata, and medical staff, plus 10 more persons, civilians, who were primarily the patient and the relatives who had stayed for a small period of time in Ambassa. So, you know, those 13 have been found positive. These 13 persons have already come to GB. So they are now in GB. Now, today, as of now, 435 tests are running, out of which 259 are from Ambassa, Dhalai district. About 152 are BSF Jawan. Then 51 are civilian from Magdin Pada, which is adjacent to the BSF headquarters, and 19 are from the Moambari and the police line, which is all adjacent, and 37 are other contacts based on our tracing, which are undergoing tests now. Results are likely to come around 10 PM or so, so that you will come to know whatever the result. The 3 containment zones that has been declared, surveillance and monitoring in that area is going on. The total about 5,000 families are covered in that, largest being the Gandachara, because Adam base is close to the Gandachara town. Till now, out of that, we have visited every house. We are monitoring the symptoms. Some cases have been found, and based on that, sample collection is going on. On the data part, on the cumulative, we have completed about 6,228 tests till yesterday, and of course, 43 have been found positive. You all know that. On Shoraibari front, there have been vehicles coming. Considering the whole issue and long jam of the goods vehicle that was coming, we consulted some people who told 50% sampling rate for asymptomatic is very high, and because that was also leading to jam. So now we have asked DM to do 2 things. One, not every alternate vehicle will be tested. Alternate vehicle originating from non-hotspot area and driver or conductor having no symptom. So that category, now every 5th vehicle sample would be taken. So this decision was taken yesterday night, and today speed has gone up. Rest you will verify whether that is sufficient or not. Second decision we have taken, particularly in respect of perishables. That decision is that if the perishable is coming from hotspot, vehicle will not be started because there is a likelihood of perishable getting damaged. So samples would be taken there, and they would be released with information from concerned district magistrate that when the vehicle unloads, the persons from the vehicle, driver, assistant, everybody, should be put in quarantine till the result comes. So these two modifications have been done. Other is that the 10 buses coming from Kota had arrived. Their samples have been collected. There are total 262 persons. Now they have been put under quarantine for a day at Ambasa Nagar. Their sample is likely to reach by tonight or early morning tomorrow. And by tomorrow evening the results will be out because it's coming from hotspot. So they all have been put under facility quarantine. I think this is by and large for today. Anything that you have, please.